You drive the truck?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, nice.
There's one that's like throwing me off because whenever I pick it, it's like locking me up. I'm gonna go this way for a second.
That was easy.
So that means I was right.
You were right. I'm trying to figure out why it was so easy to go that way and so hard to go this way.
Wanna try the other door?
Not yet. Actually, I'll try. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay. You wanna hear something funny?
Yeah. You found your key.
No.
Go ahead.
That would be relieving.
Yeah.
Not so much funny.
Yeah.
I didn't find it. It's not lost. It's in there.
Oh, it's in the ignition.
Yeah, it's in ignition. Nah, I think I did this 3 times.
What?
This is my 3rd time doing this.
Is it really?
Yeah.
This way would be. I think this side is towards the front. Well, they're both towards the front.
I think so. They're both the same.
Should have
Hey.
looked at you right away.
I was gonna say like it's always this door that's open easy.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Did they pick it every time?
No, my brother usually say hi. He has a little thing that goes in between the
In the door?
window and the door.
If you do it that way, you go from this side.
Really?
That's the thin side of the door.
Really?
Yeah.
Because the thing is right here though.
Well, no, because you want to, oh, this button?
Yeah.
You can hit the unlock button over
Around
here.
5 miles per hour in the morning, becoming southwest in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Like on inside the door.
Oh, you're talking about with the flip switch?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
West wind around
Thank you so much.
No problem, thank you.